Started. Well, I think it was the 18th of July. They go back on the 9th of September. No. I know. 6 weeks, isn't it?
We got the chairman starting the pleasantries off.
Hey. Hey, aim for the kids.
This picture. He's your favourite.
Right, I'm going to set this up because he got 2 minutes and 58.
Alright, wish me luck.
Alright people, welcome back to another episode of CC at the Fives. You know what's going on, we're live. Right now you're locked in and we're top of the tree, hoping to push further, hoping to win this league, get some points on the board. You know what's going on, man. But alright, big game, lock in, sit back, get your snacks, put your feet up, and let's get into it. Alright people, let's get straight into it. CC versus Jcfc. Last time we smoked these got 24/7. Had them feeling like Sean Kingston and them things there. Yeah, it's the reverse picture. Like I say, if you lose, you got a GBG. Let's see what these men are on. Anyway, arguably one of the strongest teams out. Apart from me being in goal, balls being moved around anyway. Little chance goes amiss. My boy Els giving the ball away. They regroup, keep the ball. It's going to be a strong theme that you're going to see through the game is that they keep the ball very well. Anyway, H coming forward, gets a shot off. Misplaced pass. They drive forward. That's a great block from the boy Matt. And they're in the corner, they've somehow regrouped and managed to get the ball there. Cam twists and turns the defender. May's got to take it, man.
That's it, you tell him, Ref. Don't let him talk to you like that.
No. Their little guy at the back, he controlled everything, dictated most of their play. Once he's got the ball, he either slows it down, fastens it up. You're going to see the tempo that he brings to the game. Anyway, they get a shot off, it's blocked. I roll it out to Cam gives it to Liam. You know how that Corey tastes. 1-0 to the mighty CC. Ball being slowed down and played at their pace, but they misplace it. H picks it up. Keeps it well. Gives it to Cam, finds a little pass to H.
Zidane.
Same vibes. Anyway, players still feeling the after effects of giving them a headbutt like Zidane. H didn't feel the thing. Anyway, boy L's coming forward with it. Gives it to H turns out. Slide down, give it to Cam. Pops one off. Oh, H the spin the Rooney. If that connected, it would have been brilliant. Just a reminder, if you run back the video where we beat them 24/7, they got a whole different team. But we don't make excuses around it. We get shit cracking. They got like a 6'2" goalkeeper who looks like he should be playing for Posh. He's been beat once, he can get beat again. Anyway, game's slowing down right now. Been slowed down to no one wants to make the mistakes. Just loads of sparring going on. Ball being kept. The boy Jake's back in the cup. You got Nobes out here as well. Now Cam's driving forward, gets his shot off. 6'2" keeper saves. Makes a double one. Keeper rolls it out. Just trying to take Jake on a little sparring. I'm gonna get pushed sideways. Chris makes a great block, takes it to the corner, starts again.
Pretty well, not bad.
I should have had him though, to be fair.
1-0, but 5 minutes in, 5 minutes gone. Cam with the ball in the corner. Gets picked as he tries to come out. They come forward, they get a shot off. Look. Jake picked off. Cole blimey. Ball being slowed down, moved around very well by them.
I haven't. Fraser!
Fraser's giving the ball away, but he's got it back.
No!
They've got it back, but been picked off and look.
Fraser! Go on.
No, I do play. I've been for about 2 years. I'm on my own ball, I never come back from it.
Told you, 6'2" and plays for Posh.
And when I've had further,
He just come from pre-season. Said he'll do a job for his friends. They wants to phone them up and said, yo, we need a keeper at Power League. 8 o'clock kickoff. They're top of the league. Can you do a job for us? He said, yeah, mate, no problem. I got you.
Shoulder, Joe.
But I must say, I've been doing pre-season all day.
Go on.
We started a couple of weeks ago. We had a couple of games and that, but I'm in recovery. I won't tell the gaffer if you won't. All right, mate. See you at 8. Cam shows him it's different. Cam shows him this ain't League 2. This is the trenches, baby. War is war. And within war, there's sparring. Some people win battles, some people win wars. We're a team that wins wars. Anyway, Cam trying to thread it forward ever so elegantly. But they get the ball back. H with it. Turns, Jake, H. It's not a pay, you want to see going at you. Told you, 6'2" and plays for Posh. Look how he picked out of the air like he's picking apples from a tree. Sets them on the attack ever so quickly. That's safe. 2-0 to the man. He sees Chris coming forward. I've seen Jake put those away in his sleep. It's unlucky. Anyway, they're coming forward now. Caught us out. No one's at the back. They get one back. 2-1. Game's getting kind of tight now. H with it slant down to his pace. Gives it away, gets it back. You know, sometimes in life they say, don't give to receive. But when you give, you receive. Hey, Jake with it at the back, starts again. Lights coming on. Feels like it's Champions League night. They peg one back. That's 2-2. Everything's all square now. Turn this into a game. 2-0 up. Worst scoreline in football. I've said it many times.
Don't let him miss it. Save, Brad.
Chris comes close.
Pass, Meds. Keep it, Brad.
Told you, when he's on the pitch, he dictates the play. Chris finds Jake. It's unlucky, he's dusting off the cobwebs. He ain't been here for a couple of weeks. A recoup. Ball to H, you know he wants them intricate passes. Almost comes off. If it comes off, Jake's through 1-on-1. And 8 times out of 10, you put your house on it. Anyway, H in the corner. Don't know why they put him in there. As if he won't get out.
Oh, fucking hell, referee!
Wins himself a foul.
Yeah, love it, Meds.
Trouble!
Rumbles the punters. We have to remember that every team we play, we're their World Cup final. In the World Cup finals, you have to turn up. 3-2, that's H.
Play that ball for you, that's decent ball that. You run through and slot it in between the two of them. Left foot, outside the boot. You don't normally do that.
Hey, not gonna lie, I saved it, but hey, I'm not a keeper, but I'll do anything for this badge.
Is that one of the expensive ones?
They're being allowed too much shots for my liking, especially for me being in goal. Too much shots to me. You let them shoot, they've got half a chance of scoring. I'm better on my feet than my hands. I'll show you that. Show you again. Try something spectacular, doesn't happen. Finds himself on his back. Something they did well was overload us, and it worked for them. Cam 1-on-1 with his player. Takes just a bit too long to get to H, but hey, still gets his shot off and hits the post. The 6'2" post player keeps him in it. And again, 3-2. He's 6'2", but he gets down well.
I can behind you.
I should probably close my letterbox. 3-3, game's tight now. We need this game.
Well, boys.
Maybe they want it just a bit more than us. 4-3. They're on top now. It's looking mad for the mighty CC. But you know what they say. Sometimes you have to go to the bottom. Start again. 5-3, they get another one.
Can you catch them?
And the 6'2" goalkeeper.
Okay, guys, let's do a tornado siren and spin it around at the same time.
Cam's been caught on spinners. Anyway, Jcfc 5-3 up against the mighty CC. I hear it. Things like this happen. We need to wake it up though. Cam with the shot. It's wide. Very good. Spin on the line. Almost made the keeper have an error. We're not as live as we normally are. We look lethargic. We look slow.
Hello, Perlo. Again.
Rifles one home. 6-3. And right now they're on top. You can hear the punters on the sideline, they're happy right now. This is the day they probably thought would never happen. Anyway, Chris hits a shot. Keeper, bigger goal, it's in. You can start keeping them low, man. 6-3 and the performance ain't too great. We started off alright, but even then it was a bit slow. We get one back. 6-4, comebacks on. It's never done to the fat lady's song. Let's get it cracking, man. Anyway, they managed to get some shots off. Ball's being moved around. Beers are playing golf again. They've slowed the game down to walking level. Ball's being passed around.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Yeah, keep doing it, Fraser.
No, they're allowed. They've been on a stretcher.
Thank you. They're losing space. Touching it. Beat him. Right, we do know who we're talking to, though. Same one.
Ball's been moved around nicely. Jake with a great movement.
Go on, then. Go on,
Their
two.
keeper saves. Caught. Not gonna lie, if I remember correctly, that one hurt. Half time, 6-4.
He literally sit on the side like, under 40, I like that takes you past.
Yeah, we just gotta break them down, I guess, and fucking...
Slow it down, you guys are moving fast.
So we need this fucking win. We're gonna try.
Yeah, boys, that's one thing.
Nah, Mike, elbow.
Hey, DK Road, man. Man's playing in the tech piece. Alright, second half. 6-4. Jcfc currently on top. We need to make something happen, man. Anyway, Jake gets it. Gives to H. H back to Jake. We've seen this happen before. Why their keeper saves, man. 6'2" and the name's Brad. Stands in our way. They find a way to go further ahead. 7-4. They're doing more than knocking on the door. They put a size 10 Timberlands in it, and the door's open. They got their foot in their door. They're halfway there. But Chris with a great save. Maybe we start with Christian goal. It's a different scoreline. But we will never know. Anyway, 7-4. Now I'm on the ball, I'm on the pitch. Trying to make something happen. Give the ball away. 8-4, that's my fault. I'll take that one on the chin. 8-4, 4 goals in there. Trying to play player for player. They're just skipping the ball around. It seems to be free flowing for them. It almost looks like that should be us and we should be them.
Show him on his left.
It's a great save again.
Finish! Oh, you slow.
Somehow the ball's got through. Hey, H has stolen off his tiptoes there.
Hold it, let's move.
Work back then.
Too slow in there. I give it to the shooters. H puts it away. 8-5, there's definitely still time.
Do it, Fraser. Go on then.
Let's learn the game down to their pace.
Get off him.
He's done Matt. But Matt comes back to block. Now Jake and H going forward together.
Yeah, love it, man.
Just loses out. Reminder, Jake's still dusting off the cobwebs.
Yes, move. Head right shoulder.
Makes a good save over there. H with it. Give it to me. Skied it. 8-5. Our shooting's been all over the gaff. Our passing's been all over the gaff. We ain't been at the races today. We're not there. We're not on par. I don't know what it was. Maybe the aura and the camp is different. Something's wrong.
You could have seen that from there.
Oh, he can. Oh.
Don't know how the refs saw that one from there, but alright. That one's disallowed.
That's a great save, mate.
Hey, Chris is making some great saves out there. Throwing his body around. Genuinely believe that if he started it, it's a different scoreline. Anyway, they're slowing the game down. They want this win. They really want it.
Come on, boys!
Oh, he's dead.
Player management, game management. They're managing it well. Anyway, they find an opportunity to slip
drive
through.
now, 3-on-1. And now.
We can't quite finish.
Matt, turn.
Told you, this guy was their dictator.
the idea.
When he's on the pitch, he was trying to dictate everything for them. Fast, slow, balls through.
Don't lose
It
him.
worked.
Good, hey.
Take Brad.
Get closer.
H in the corner.
Can't go back in, bro.
I don't know why they still try and keep him in there.
No way.
That's all you got to do.
That was Chef.
Get on the foot.
Chris rolls it out to the boy Els. Els driving forward. Finally taking that tech fleece off. Must be warm.
Blocked it.
Cam gets a shot off. It's blocked. They're throwing their bodies on the line. They're coming forward. And they get another one. 9-5. Game's still not done and dusted yet. I haven't heard that woman sing yet. Big man makes another save. I'm in the game now, rough and tumble. He's beat me. Come on, man, you know I'm gonna let him live, man.
Yeah, play Millsy.
I'm on what they're on. They're just popping the ball around, man. We can't get close to them at the moment. Shot just goes wide.
Double offer. Go home.
Bit of pinball in there.
Yeah, I like it, Lou. Recycle.
They're just happy to go back, waste time, keep the ball. We just don't look like we want it. We ain't pressing them for it. We need to go harder.
Aiden, that's you, son. Aiden, it is you.
And then Jake coming forward with it now. Gives it to me. I lose it again. At this current point in time, we're trying things and it's not happening. 9-5, we need to be moving the ball around fast. We need to be passing it. Someone needs to try something. I get one back. 9-6, game's not over. They try and get a shot off. It's wayward. Somehow they've still managed to get seconds. Anyway, Jake, Cam, we know those are the guys that we look for. Liam, H, we look for these guys. We want these guys to make the magic happen up there. They're the guys that we look for in games like this. 9-6, we need some magic to happen. I'm not the best technical ability, but I'll work and I'll bleed for the boys. I'll bleed for the badge. Next time, working. 2 knee bandages on, still working. Hits a shot off. 6'2" bent, saves. Told you, slide down, dictate the play. Ball's being moved around. They get a shot off. Page coming forward, dancing on ice, gives it to Jake. Tries to find it back. Just not quite happening, is it? It's violent outside, man. That's the trench. They get a shot off as well. No, Jake with it. Trying to find an angle. Use the H. And I told you, they want it more. They've got a bit more about them. It's hard to watch. We're trying, but just in trying, we get one back. 9-7, game's not done now. As lethargic as we are and we're still in the game, surely magic happens. Just the wrong way round. 10-7. Fraser seems to have taken some creatine on the sidelines. Seems to have woken up now, late in the game. 10-7, Cam finds a ball across to the boy H. It's a front three of H, Cam, Liam. Anything can happen. Anyway, Cam doing some tricky tricks. Moves around. H to the shot. Hey, their keepers kept them in this game, man. Anyway, Cam with a shot.
Hey, is that last 5?
10-7, last 5. It's not looking good. Can we get 3, maybe 4 goals in 5 minutes? It's not impossible. Anything's possible when you believe. Liam coming forward. H, Liam. The keeper's been on form today. We're wondering how we stop him. We've got 7 past him. We need a bit more. H with 1.
Keep it!
It's wide.
Hey, well done, Matt.
Matt's still bleeding for the badge in the dying minutes.
Jack runners!
There's no one running.
Matt leaves him running. Frustration starting to settle in. Final whistle goes and that's 10-7 to Jcfc. This is our 2nd loss in the same campaign.
Made it spicy for the end of the season. We're all have 1 punch now. You want some more now, innit?
Couldn't tell you.
What?
What was the final score?
10-7.
Scores around. Bare people doing cancellations and things. I don't know what go on, but you know, that's how the thing goes. This was our chance to separate ourselves. But we lost. Jcfc doing the job, the rest of the teams doing whatever they were doing. Let's take a look at the league table. We're still at the top of the tree, but we've allowed people to be in the race when they shouldn't be in this race. We should be clear. We should be gone right now. We should be looking 18 points. You know what I'm saying? At least minimal. But you know what? We bounce back. Anytime we've taken an L, we come back harder. So see you next week, man. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. But also, big up Jcfc, man.